What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're doing the air filter for the engine. This is a K&N drop-in air filter. What's needed for today's actions and video: gonna need a T25. I'm gonna try and catch it on film here. T25. So you're gonna need that for all of the bolts that are here. My goal will be to not touch this, but we'll see how that goes. And we will see if we can just leave this on. Just lift this off real quick. Hopefully I can do so and it won't be too much of a hassle. So let's get into it. All right, I got it open just enough. So we're gonna take out the old without hurting myself on this one. And one-handed. So let's get it out. Ooh. Pretty gross looking. So let's get the new one out. Okay, and here we go, and with the new. Boop. And there it is. Takes seconds. Look how big and flimsy this one is. It's big and it's flimsy. So look how much garbage this is producing. All right, anyway. All right, let's fasten it up, get it rolling. All right, now that we got the K&N in, you're probably wondering what's the benefits. The benefits is this is washable. Comes with instructions and you can get it washed. You could wash it yourself and then you can pretty much clean it up, throw it right back in. So then you won't be having to buy a standard size filter that's big, bulky, and creates a lot of garbage that your engine could be breathing in. So that's what I'm going to suggest. K&N. For me, this was $64 plus tax, so it came out to just about $70, and it's a well worth addition to having your engine run smoothly and reliably. So that's what we're going to talk about today on this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay safe.